I'm Aletha with WTI. I love building puzzles and using my hands and my imagination to create. That's why I love the model kits from Metal Earth. They have all these awesome models that you can build from movies from Harry Potter to Disney to Star Wars to Batman. Your imagination can just go wild. I love them because they're so easy to do. They come with all the instructions that you need. They come with tweezers if you need them. They're made of this awesome soft metal. The pieces are small and intricate, which adds to the fun and creativity. You can build for a few minutes and put it away and come back and still be intrigued. The best part is when you're done and you get to see your creation. I love it. I love these model kits from Metal Earth. I highly recommend them, and that is just my point of view.